I'm Eric with Impact Guns, and today we're going to show you why the Sig P320 is the most versatile handgun on the market. The key to the versatility of the Sig P320 is in how they've designed the gun. If you take down the gun, remove the magazine first, lock the slide to the rear. This is the takedown lever. Takedown requires no trigger pull. Just pull it straight off. So this is the slide assembly. You've got the barrel and the slide. With just my fingers, I'm able to pull it out. No pen or tool required. And then this trigger group here lifts straight out of the gun. It clicks in at the back here, so you got to press up just a little bit to slide it out. The serial number is engraved on the fire control group here. So this fire control group is the gun. The P320 is available in subcompact, compact, and full-size grips and frames. Each Sig P320 comes with a medium grip frame. The small and large grip frames are available depending on what kind of palm swell you prefer. The P320 has caliber exchange kits that are available. They come in 9, 40, and 357 Sig, as well as the subcompact, compact, and full-size grip frames. There are RX exchange kits, which include the Sig Romeo sight, and the TAC Ops exchange kit, which comes with the carry size frame, an extended 21 round magazine, and a slide assembly with a threaded barrel and X-ray night sights. Now we're going to show the installation of the exchange kit, which can be done on any size, any caliber. We'll use the subcompact. I'm going to remove the magazine. I'm going to lock the slide to the rear. Use the takedown lever. Release the slide. Pay attention, I do not have to pull the trigger to take this down. It's one of the safety features that they designed into this. I'm going to press out. And this just lifts out and comes out. So there is the fire control group of the Sig P320, and this just drops right into the caliber exchange frame. I'm going to press nice and hard to make sure that seats in correctly. That way when you drop it down, all the holes are lined up. Takedown lever goes in. Want to make sure that's vertical. Then the TAC Ops slide. Goes on the carry frame. Lock the slide to the rear. Throw the takedown lever. And it's ready to go. Now we're going to take it out on the range and put a few rounds through it. All right, so this is the P320 RX with the Romeo sight and the full-size frame. I'm going to put a few rounds downrange. This is the compact 320. Not too bad. It's good. Matter of fact, it was fun. So this is the group that the other guys shot, and then these are all mine. I shot these ones. These are the other guys, and the ones in the middle are mine. This is a great group for me. I'm sure this gun shoots better than I do. The gun shoots really smooth, very easy to operate. Trigger press is fantastic. Really enjoy shooting it. Remember, you can find all of the guns and caliber exchange kits that we've talked about on impactguns.com. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.